Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Setups. My name is Fez, and this DeFi tutorial is brought to you from Icon Plus. So today, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to show everyone how you can set up your MetaMask to jump into the Binance Smart Chain universe. So, there's a lot of DeFi and a lot of various dApps popping up in that ecosystem, but the first step of this process is actually configuring MetaMask so that you can interact with that component. So I want to show you how to do it and make some key callouts that you need to be very careful about, because I have seen a lot of people make mistakes here and there. So let's jump right in. So as you can see, I have my MetaMask open, and it's a lovely little icon that you'll see on the side. And what I've done is to make it nice and big. As usual, I've gone into expanded view and it's opened it as a new window. So what you can see here is I am on the Ethereum network. The first thing you need to do to interact with the Binance Smart Chain is change it to the Binance network. So let's go in. As you can see, I have it configured over here, but I want to show you how to do it. So first thing we'll do is go into settings. Instead of clicking on the mainnet option, click on the circle. As you can see, so with the settings, go to network. Now you can see all the various test networks that come pre-configured along with Ethereum mainnet. I want to add the Binance Smart Chain, so what I will do is, imagine this wasn't here, I would just click on add network. It creates a new network, and now I have to fill in this information. What I'll do in my show notes is put in this excellent guide that CoinGuides have created with all the details on what you need to fill in. So you can see over here, each field has the respected information, so copy and paste it, make sure it's exactly as it is over here. So I'll head back to MetaMask, and what you can see is once it's all pre-populated, you click save, and that's it. That's your Binance network added. So let's close that out. Now, you can still see I'm on the Ethereum mainnet. This is what determines if you're on what mainnet you are. So with the rise of Binance Smart Chain and all these side chains that are coming up, you can actually configure MetaMask into different side chains / smart chains. So I will show some other examples of some side chains that operate on Ethereum and how you configure them. But first I thought let's start with the Binance Smart Chain. So here we are. As you can see, I can go and pick the Binance Smart Chain, and it's on mainnet. And here we are. So the first thing you'll notice, I have nothing in here. Yes. The second thing, your wallet addresses are the same. So if you have in MetaMask currently on ETH, if you have a couple of wallets in there, and say one is your wallet you use every time, when you load up the information, it will automatically have the same accounts there. And you can see that the last 3 digits are the same. I can even quickly switch to ETH mainnet. What I'll do is go back to account 2 and switch to mainnet, and account 2 you can see 508B, Ethereum, 508B, go back to, okay, so it's the same address now. This is where you need to be very careful. You cannot send Binance Smart Chain tokens to the Ethereum mainnet, and if you accidentally do that, well, then there's a process. I don't even know if it can be redeemed, but if it happens on the Binance exchange, I know they've been giving extra support there, but this is fundamental. Make sure you know what you're sending to, especially if you're using the same wallet you use on the Ethereum mainnet. They're the same addresses. Okay, so now that I've covered that was an extremely important point to get across. Here we are. I am now on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And the next step, what I wanted to quickly show you is, okay, so you can see it's got the ETH symbol, but just like on the ETH mainnet, anything you send from your MetaMask wallet needs a bit of ETH. In this case, you need a bit of BNB. So I would need to transfer some BNB into my account over here. And then if I had tokens, other tokens, or any of the dApps that are currently on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, I could interact with it. So the first thing I want to do though is let's add a token to the wallet so you can see how it looks. So I've gone to the Binance Smart Chain. I'm grabbing the information directly from it, and I will click add token, and it works the same way, exactly as you would on Ethereum. When I paste the contract, it should load up everything. Excellent. And done. So I have some cake, which is a dApp on the Binance Smart Chain. And here, that's all you need to do. You are now connected to the Binance Smart Chain. So from here, you could go onto a dApp and connect up to its ecosystem and use it just like you would on Ethereum. So here I am on PancakeSwap, and just to give you an example, click Connect, MetaMask, loads it up. You can see, I'll click on this, and I'll hit Connect. There we go. I am now. You can, and just to cross-check, you can see it's connected. You can see I'm on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet, and I'm connected to this. Everything after this is exactly as it is with ETH, only, well, the Binance Smart Chain is literally a fork, and it is far cheaper and quicker to interact with a lot of the dApps because of the way they have it set up. So I hope this has helped create that confidence in what you need to do with MetaMask, and I can't stress this enough, everyone. Ensure that you are not sending Binance tokens to Ethereum mainnet's address. It won't go through, even though the addresses are the same. So you need to keep in mind, make sure you're on the right network. And by that, what I mean is, if you're on this Binance Smart Chain, and you go to send this token to another exchange that isn't Binance, make sure if you're on the Binance Smart Chain, they support the Binance Smart Chain. If they only have Ethereum ERC20 tokens, you cannot send it there. Do not send it there. That's what I mean by it. Because the addresses are still the same and it can be confusing. So again, keep that in mind. So what I've done today is shown you how to set up your MetaMask, how to add tokens that are on the Binance Smart Chain. I'll put in the show notes the actual Binance Smart Chain Etherscan. It's Binance Smart Chain Scan, which is the clone of Etherscan. And I'll put in the CoinGuide's guide on how you can add the Binance Smart Chain, how you can add the testnet if you want to explore things on that front as well. Hope you found this video educational and helpful. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe and leave some comments if you want to see anything in particular. I will slowly start to grow these Binance Smart Chain tutorials out with interacting with various dApps on how to use them and what those dApps are about as well. Today's goal was strictly around MetaMask and what you need to do. The final call out I need to make here is, if you're using your existing wallet, that's something that's already set up in MetaMask, and you haven't gone to create a new account once you've connected to the Binance Smart Chain, it's the same seed phrases. So everything is literally the same. So if I wanted to now, if I had information in here, as long as I put my seed phrase in, it would pull all the data off the various blockchains and into my MetaMask, in this case, strictly to do with Ethereum mainnet and Binance Smart Chain. Okay, now if you wanted to be safe, you could, when you connect to the Binance Smart Chain, create a new account and have a completely separate account with its own address. That way you don't confuse your Ethereum versus Binance Smart Chain addresses. These are options for you to choose how you want to manage. But remember, when you create a new account, I believe it will give you a new seed phrase, etc. Make sure you go through all the practices of saving everything and keeping it safe. Okay, I kind of signed off and then wanted to make this call out again.